Hello darlings, I'm actually in London at my London pad cooking today. I've got some friends coming over for lunch, so I'm going to do a quick salad niçoise. Hello darlings, my name's Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. So my London flat I made of ale and quite limited for space. I've only got 2 hobs, so easy thing to do for lunch. I'm going to do the salad niçoise, which would be green beans, new potatoes, eggs, marinated some shallots in white wine, vinegar, olive oil and some garlicky salt. And obviously the tuna as well. As you know, I like using this albacore tuna. And that's what I'll be doing, it's just a straightforward lunch. So I can boil the eggs there in the pan. The potatoes are there and I'll steam the beans for a couple of minutes on the top there, and then I'll assemble it and put that together. So now I'm going to build the salad up. So first of all I put some new potatoes on the plate. Crush them a little, just a little squeeze. Now put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of the garlicky salt. I'll put some of the beans, and then I'm going to mix the marinated onions in with the tuna. And put some of that on top. A little bit more olive oil. And then the egg. I'm wearing a Hotel Corinthia aprons. My partner used to be the hairdresser there, so this was obviously a freebie he got and then re-gifted it to me. I've cooked the eggs for 4 to 5 minutes if they're room temperature. So you put the egg on, little runny egg there, a little bit of pepper. And there you go. A light healthy lunch, salad niçoise, green beans, new potatoes, tuna, and an egg on top, if you like egg.